Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to insert shape in MS-PowerPoint. Shapes are the great way to make your PowerPoint presentation more interesting. PowerPoint gives you a lot of different shapes to choose from and they can be customized to suit your need using your own color palette, preferences or more. While you may not need a shapes in every presentation you create, they can add a visual appeal. So if you want to insert a shape inside your presentation, then just click on the insert. Here there is an option available inside the illustration, the shapes. Once you click on the shape, there are multiple options available. Just click on any shape like this and you can draw it anywhere you want and you can just drag it and drop it. Once you insert a shape inside your presentation, there is a format tab opens in under the drawing tools. If you click on that format tab, you can see here insert shape. Now from here also you can add a number of shape. Just click on any shape and you can drag it and drop it like this. Now the next one is the edit shape. So if you click on that edit shape, it will give the options like change a shape. Now I have selected this shape. If I change the shape by just click on that and it will appear a change shape. You can do this multiple times as per your requirement. Next one is the edit points. Now if I have this my shape and I want to edit some points, then I can edit it. Now here you can see once I click on the edit points, the it is showing the red outline. Now here you can see when I put a cursor like this, that arrow headed plus sign converts to the plus sign. Now wherever I want to put a point in between the line, I can put it and I can drag it like this. So whichever shape I want, I can customize from the using change or the edit points. So that is the use of edit points. Now sometimes it may happen that you require to put a text inside a shape, but whenever we want to insert a text inside a shape, you have to just type anything, whichever text you want, and you can insert. So if you want to insert another text box inside your shape, you can use the text box option and put it inside. Next one is the shape styles. So here you can see multiple options available. If I select any of this option, or if I move my cursor over the different options, it will convert to that options or it will give you a preview of that color. Now if I click on it, it will convert to that shape style. Next one, if you don't find it uh, useful to your PowerPoint presentation, you can change the color from here also. Just select the color whichever you want. There are many more options available. If you want a picture to be added, if you want a gradient to be added inside your shape, you can also add. You can also add the texture inside your shape. So there are multiple options available for the shape fill. If you want to fill your shape with any color, gradient, pictures and texture, so this option is for you. Next one is the shape outline. If you click on the shape outline, you can change the outline of your shape. Now I have moved my cursor on the black one, so it is converted to the black one. If I move the cursor to the red or any other color, it will convert to that color. Next one is the weight. So if I want a darker one or the width wise, so I can use that also. Next outlines are the dashes one. If you want a dashes outline, you can also use. Then there are the arrow ones. You can also use the arrow ones. So there are the different outlines available for your shape. Next one is your shape effect. Now if in which pattern you want your shape, like a 3D rotation. Now if I am moving this here, now you can see if I click on the 3D rotation and I am moving my cursor over here, it is showing the preview of that shape effect. So there are multiple options available, the glow ones or the reflection ones. So whichever shape effect you want, you can insert. Next one is the word style. You can change the color of your text inside your shape just by selecting the word style. Just click over here. You can also add a different like this one. If you want this one, you can also add. Then the text outline. So whichever text you are using, you can fill it with the different color like this. You can give an outline to it. So if I want outline like this, then if I want the weightage should be like this. So this thing is useful for your text, and this portion is useful for your shapes. Next one, whenever I'm going to use a multiple shape, now here you can see I want to move that back one, this one shape in the forward position. Then I have to select that and I have to bring it forward so that it will come in front of that shape. So sometimes it may happen that there are two shapes and you want one shape in front and one shape in the backward. If you want to put it in the backward, just select it and send backward. Next one, sometimes it may happen that if you want to rotate the shapes, for that just select the shape whichever you want to rotate, click on the rotate and just move it, and you can see the preview of it. Whichever is suitable for your presentation, just select it and it will apply. Next one is the height and width of your shape. You can adjust from here. If you want to increase it, you can increase it. This is the height. And if you want to increase the width, you can also increase the width. So in this way, you can insert a shapes and customize the shape or change the shape color, insert a text inside a shape. You can add a multiple shape in the one slide like this. You can also uh, edit that shape with the edit points. So you can also fill the shape with whichever color you want. Next one is the whichever word style you want, you can insert. If you want to bring it forward, you can bring it forward. Bring it back, you can also do that. Next one is the rotate. If you want to rotate that shape, you can also do that. And the height and width can be adjusted by using the size option. So these are the multiple options when you insert any shape from the insert tab. To insert any shape, you have to go to the first insert tab. Inside insert tab, there is a shape option. Just take it. Once you select any of the shape, automatically that format tab opens here and you can make a changes within your shapes. So that is the use of shapes. Thank you.